How to fix Binance login problem on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can fix the Binance login problem on Android. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So if you're having the issue of Binance login problem when you reach over to the login page of your Binance, these are the methods you can follow up. The first thing is double checking that you are putting in the correct username and password when you are trying to log in into your Binance, or if you're trying to log in with Google or Telegram, make sure that is the correct account that you are using in order to log in. Apart from that, if you have any kind of network issues, like if you're connected to a network that is not working properly, that may be the reason. So you can head over to your settings of your device and then connect to a account, a different Wi-Fi network, or using mobile data to see if the problem is related to your internet connection or not. Also ensure that you are entering the correct username or number given by your two-factor authentication. So when you try to log in your Binance app, maybe you're not entering the correct verification code from your authenticator app. So make sure you are using a new one, and you can just go ahead and do that. Also check if your account has temporarily been suspended, because that may be the reason. But for now, these are the methods you can follow up if you are having the login problem issue. Along with that, you can just go ahead and try uninstalling and reinstalling the app, and that should help you fix it. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.